Factor series is designed for multi-layer growers, comes in 2 different power levels targeting leafy greens as well as high intensity cannabis plants as well. What makes the Factor ML series unique are its wide angle optics, allowing you to install fewer fixtures but achieving the same level of PPFD and uniformities compared to other competitors in the space. The Factor ML series is packed with great benefits and features for growers. Its major benefit is its wide beam optic. The optic allows you to get very great uniformity at very shallow head spaces. It comes in a variety of different power levels and could scale very easily to microgreens all the way up to cannabis. Its mounting features are also very flexible, allows for cantilever installation in rolling racks, but also allows you to mount it in wire rack situations. So flexibility in terms of mounting and flexibility in terms of optics makes this a great product for multi-layer growers.